Hi my friends, we continue on the permissions where we left off. First of all, let's remember what the problem was. We have a comment here which belongs to admin, and I logged in as standard user. However, I can update or even delete the comment which does not belong to me. I can update it. Let's try. I could update it, or I can even delete. You do realize what kind of chaos there would be if users could change each other's content according to their own will. That's why permissions are incredibly important subject. Now let's go back to our scenario. I will briefly summarize what we are going to do. We are going to create a custom permission that will only allow the comment owner to change or delete the comment. Let's switch to editor. You remember from the previous lessons, we have already written a custom permission. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend you. I'm going to create a class. Now I need to extend this class from another one, so that I don't have to rewrite Django's already ready-made code. I want to return the custom permission here. We have extended this class from base permission, and they override the has permission method. First of all, we will write a condition similar to that one. So I will copy it. I will paste it here. I need to write one more condition, like for example, the owners of comment want to delete or update their comments. I mean, in order to allow methods such as put or delete, our condition is that the owner of comment and the user who logged in must be the same. We can access the information about user from request. We learned it in the previous video. So let's go back to model. I need to compare the owner of comment and the request user in the permission class. The question is that how can we access the owner of comment inside this class? Go back to source code of permissions. We have some basic permissions here, and they are all extended from base permission. All of the permission classes modify the has permission method, because these permissions are more general or even global permissions. So let's examine the base permission class. Here we have another method called has object permission. I think the name of method makes sense to you. This method takes a parameter called object. In short, thanks to the object parameter, we can access the details of the relevant comment. Let's go back to permission file that we created. We will extend this class from base permission. So we can able to use this method inside this class. So I copy it and I will paste it here. I don't need you. And I will just copy the if statement here and I will paste it here. Okay, I save it. We only allow the get method here, I mean the save methods. We need to write another condition for delete and put methods. And of course, our condition is that the owner of comment in the object and the request.user must be the same. So we can access the request.user like this. request.user. Okay, we can access the request.user in this way. We also need to access the owner of comment. We can access it by this object parameter. This object parameter contains everything related to this model. So we can access the owner of comment by this object easily. So let's write it. Request.user equal to object.owner of comment. I save it. I go back to views. I need to import this class inside the views file. You can import it next to this one. I copy it. I need to introduce my permission class to this view. So let's do it. Permission classes. I save it. Go back to Chrome. Refresh page. As you can see, the delete button and the form that allows me to update have gone away, because this comment does not belong to me. I am standard user and this comment belongs to admin. We check the condition here. The request.user and the owner of comment must be the same. We can access all the information by this object parameter. I repeated it many times, I know, but it is really important. So I go back to Chrome again. I will log in as admin. Well, as you can see, after I logged in as admin, I can update my comment, and I can even delete it because this comment belongs to me. Here you can write all kinds of permissions according to the requirements of your project. If you need help, I will try to help you if I have free time. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the following video.